Are you stressing about how to make your outdoor space your own? There are so many options and too much to consider, but you're committed to creating a space for your family to enjoy together. Luxury outdoor living isn't something you should stress over. The process should be fun. Let's take a look at how the experts at A.M Woodland Outdoor Design make the process easy and enjoyable when they design the outdoor space of your dreams.
Elevated outdoor living is about bridging the gap between indoors and outdoors and creating a functional, beautiful space that enhances the quality of life for our customers. I saw an opportunity to improve the process and the experience that people were having designing their outdoor spaces. So we added a lot of collaboration into the process, obviously our expertise, and just making it a really good experience to get people's visions into reality.
From design to installation, A.M Woodland is transforming outdoor spaces, blending functionality with aesthetics to create the ideal environment for entertaining, relaxation, and family fun.
Being in Chicago, you have to consider all 4 seasons when you're designing a space. In the spring, we want different things coming into blooms at all different times. Throughout the summer, we want things remaining in bloom, reblooming. In the fall, we're looking for things with a variety of fall color. We can add in pops of color with seasonal annuals. In the wintertime, we've got winter pots, ornamental grasses, evergreens, outdoor structures that add a vertical element to the landscape.
Landscape design can add value to a home. Curb appeal is a return on investment. So we're sprucing up, accentuating the architecture of that house. We're also adding different outdoor spaces by extending the interior to the exterior with lounge, dining, pools, etc. The initial meeting is important to understanding the overall landscape vision. It starts by asking questions regarding the landscape style, landscape elements, seating furniture requirements, privacy sightlines. Once those key questions are answered, landscape concepts ensue. The conceptual process allows the client to envision multiple landscape outcomes based on their specific vision and lifestyle. Anything and everything in landscape design, A.M Woodland can bring to the table.
Our carpenters and painting crews handle everything from our demolition, our site prep, our rough framing, our trim carpentry, custom built-ins, and custom faux finishes. We partner with our landscape crews and our landscape division to really offer our clients a unique opportunity to not only add on an exterior perspective, but we do new construction, ground up and additions, kitchen remodels, and allow that to flow into the outdoor spaces and kind of incorporate all underneath one roof with crews who know how to work around each other. There's a lot that goes into the planning, whether it's a pergola, a kitchen, a pavilion, a screen room. Once we can kind of figure out and feel what they want to use this space for, and then how many people they want to use this space for, we can then design a structure big enough with all the amenities that go into serving the purpose of the client.
Once your vision has come to life and your outdoor space is everything you dreamed up, regular maintenance ensures the longevity of plants and hardscape features. Without proper care, live goods can die or become overgrown, invading the beautiful spaces you just created.
Taking care of the plants is one thing and is certainly needed. But taking care of the rest of the amenities on your property is also very important. Once the project has been completed, it's a seamless process for the maintenance department to take over. It gives our clients a great deal of comfort knowing that it's going to be maintained and maintained well. We also service all the systems that have been put in. Landscape irrigation, landscape lighting, drainage, pergolas, the decks, so whether it's painting, staining, power washing and reapplying polymeric sand, arbors, the list goes on and on, outdoor kitchens, all of those things need to be maintained from time to time. And if you're not building that into your system, you're doing yourself and your clients a disfavor.
A.M Woodland Outdoor Design takes sustainable landscape design to the next level.
At A.M Woodland, we're environmentally conscious through our plant selection first and foremost, choosing native varieties of plants that promote biodiversity and pollinators. We recycle almost all materials that we remove from a site. We make our own mulch here on site, compost, we screen topsoil and reuse excavated materials, and we crush up all old concrete to create aggregates that we use here in the yard to keep the dust down. The reason someone would choose A.M Woodland Outdoor Design over another contractor is that we've created the new category of design-build contractors. We have our carpentry teams, our designers, our landscape teams, our maintenance teams, all under one roof. So what we provide to our clients is really full service, and it's really a one-stop shop.
To find out more about A.M Woodland Outdoor Design, visit amwoodland.com or designingspaces.tv.